Gua, 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 Guangdong baby, got the guang, got the dong, got it all. Guangdong, oh yeah, 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 Guangdong, China. I'm taking a stroll, seeing what's all about, looking all around. It's Guangdong, baby. Got the guang, got the dong, got it all. Guangdong.
You can hear all that shouting. It's this is like a really busy marketplace. So the last Jiangmen video was well, you can see it in the thumbnail at the very end. I do the last two videos. So the last one that I did was walking down part of the street. You can hear all the mega speakers. So those are trying to compete for customers, so they put the loud stuff to attract them. And then I saw this street. We're gonna walk back towards the river, which is directly this way, and I just wanted to see what that's all about as well. And I think this might be the last Jiangmen, but we're kind of in the middle of the city center, catching some of the apartments and just a different style away from the tourist area. So let's show you what it looks like. Jiangmen, part of Guangdong, China. Really cool little, has a lot of history here. And in this particular one, we have some other ones in the past. I'll link them down at the end of the video. But this particular one, I'm going to be going kind of through the like the working class community and go towards the river. So it's just kind of a slice that you might not see as a tourist, but it kind of gives you a broader perspective of the city. So let's get into that right now. Jiangmen, Guangdong, China. Let's do it as if you were there yourself. Yeah, that's so funny. They just have that on loudspeakers. They have this like recorded like marketplace stuff, like trying to attract customers. So the idea is like the loudness brings in people, which is kind of funny. To me, it's funny. And we're just gonna, there's like all these different styles. So there's some old style apartments with the old, like I guess it's called Lingnan style. You can see some more Lingnan style over there too. But it's mixed in with these other ones. These, I don't know what those would be called. So yeah, this street, this city has a lot of history and an interesting mix of things. And this particular one, we're just gonna walk down to the waterfront. And then I think I'm gonna be coming to an end for my Jiangmen videos. I don't live too far away, just for reference, in the city of Macau. I don't really like dogs that much. God dang it. It's a cat as well. That dog looks like he's twisted. I'm gonna keep my distance from that dog, just good. He looks kind of diseased and not so healthy. Oh. There's a coffee shop right there. Right there too. I think this city is going to be, if you go to the tourist areas, there's, still following that dog. If you go to the tourist areas, it'll be, like gentrifying quite a bit. So I kind of have a feeling this whole city could be gentrifying too, like in the future. It's kind of a mix. So like when I saw that little thing at the coffee shop, it looks interesting. Some rooftop stuff. Like I bet this stuff is like dirt cheap. You could probably get, I can't even imagine what you could get. Isn't this terrible going through there? Like maybe this whole building for no idea. But I could see like artists coming in here. It's like such a beautiful city, you got nice weather. This could be filled with all kinds of interesting stuff everywhere. Man, what a cool city. Wow, look at that. Just tons of cool stuff. Like I don't know, everybody sees something different, but for me, I see like enormous amount of tourist potential. Like all these little back alleys could just be filled with all kinds of stuff. You could have a business oh man, can't even imagine. But actually this area, Greater Bay Area, is like almost 100 million people. This city alone is 2 million. So, you know, there's a lot of tourism potential here. And when I was in the historic area, I saw like a little movie, like a little theater thing. So look how clean that is. So there's a lot of potential here. But I was thinking that somebody, you know, from, I think I saw something look like maybe Hong Kong theater studio or something like that. So if you bring in Hong Kong money and you brought it into here, you could get a lot for yourself. So you could really do a lot of creativity, a lot of artistic pursuits. And they already are filming in this area. There's when I was in the first couple of videos. Is that a cat? Is that a human acting like a cat? Meow. Let me just kind of let this guy go by. He's on his phone even. He's on his car on his phone. Anyways, this looks kind of interesting. Oops. Got all this musical stuff. I thought I was going to the water. I am going to the water, but looks like there's some more things in front of me, so I guess that isn't directly the water. Barbershop. But anyways, I can see the city has a lot of interesting stuff to it everywhere, so that's kind of what I wanted to see. Imagine if they had like some giant university here and just fill this up with university students and creativity, and they could put like the rent would be low price. It'd probably go up high if something like that happened. But imagine a bunch of students that had cheap rent and creativity. They could do a little bit of entrepreneurial spirit. I'm sure other people a lot of other money would come in too though, so it would change the dynamics of everything. But let's see, I don't know if I can get across here or not. I can. People actually stop for you. So the waterfront's going to be directly down that way. There's a temple right there too, so cool. I can get to see that on the way. And this is one of the main streets that goes through. Check out that rooftop right there too. So I'm going to walk down that way. It doesn't look really that appealing, but we're gonna go down it anyways. And then the waterfront is straight ahead, so let me jump ahead with the camera. The kind of random housing in the middle here. Take a student. So here's some of that other style of housing as well. And then here's the, I don't know what those are called. I guess they'll have names for all of that stuff too, but there's a lot of those kind of stuff too. Big circles as well in the windows. And this is the Lingnan style, and then straight ahead is the water. Okay. There's a lot more of these over here too. And this endless array of interesting buildings in Jiangmen. The school right there. Caged apartments down the street a little bit. Some nice car with the details. And then we're gonna just go straight ahead, and I think we're gonna end it. We'll see what's on the waterfront as well. And then that'll probably be it for my Jiangmen videos. And I'll probably have to come back again anyways and film more, because this does seem like a pretty chill city with a lot of stuff to, very photogenic actually, like incredibly photogenic. So we are going to go across that crosswalk right there and get to the waterfront. And then we'll come to an ending for this particular video. How cool that looks. It's the road. All these are all painted white. It's also quite quiet too. A lot of older people here too. You wonder what's going to happen in the future. Are other older people going to come in and replace them? Probably not. If they do, they'll probably be affluent. Okay, and that's the waterfront. So you can see the riverfront, I mean, and waterfront and riverfront. And then that's all those shops all the way down. So so I think I'm going to be coming to an end for this particular Jiangmen series. And this is 2025. All the past videos, I think I have like maybe 8 or 9 of them now. So those will pop up, and at the end of my videos, you can always go back to the last one. So this is the last one, 8 or 9 of the series, all filmed in 2025, summertime. Just do a quick little thing before we, another bridge right there. Then a bigger bridge over there as well. Lots of tall buildings. Beautiful trees. Shop homes everywhere. And a nice waterfront. Okay, so we're gonna end it.
Got the dome